How to change Instagram DP without posting. So if you want to change Instagram's DP without posting, it is very simple. Here I have got an Instagram account. You're afraid that whenever you change your DP, it will also get posted on the main feed like this. But do not worry, that will actually not happen at all. Right off the bat, when you're on the profile page, long press on your profile icon, tap on new profile picture. Once you tap on new profile picture, select the new profile picture that you wish to change to right here. And once you select the new profile picture that you want to change to, tap on the next option from the top right. You can just review all this information correctly, tap on the next option, and right here you can see my profile picture will be successfully changed and it will not even create a post for that. That only sometimes happens on Facebook, but if you disable a certain setting, it will not get posted. But on Instagram, that is totally not the case. You can change your DP without even posting it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.